Well, now that we're done diagnosing the Nissan, we're moving over to luxury car, Mercedes-Benz. Yes, this is a 5.0 liter 2002 model, a beautiful convertible clk430. Problem with this one is it sometimes doesn't start. I pulled the code for a crank sensor, crankshaft position sensor. I was able to drive it around still. around the block, and now just parked it here. Raised the code, now it doesn't want to start. So right now I got this Kanto hookup for mainly watching this for RPM, and also this thing has RPM. Okay, so let's go watch so no crank sensor, should be no RPM. Cranking, no RPM there. Okay, and we're here on the scan data. Let's see. No RPM there too. But there is something I wanted to check. So do you have, it has gas. Because, you know, not too long ago I replaced the fuel pump on the Mercedes-Benz. So well, let's see what the, maybe I crack the fuel pressure line first, and then see if there's fuel coming out before I call this a crankshaft sensor. But it's looking like it's just a crankshaft sensor issue, because I got no RPM. Alright, we got another code besides the PO. Oh, it's still the same one with me cranking. Anyway, we're gonna remove. Let's see. We got a problem. I don't have my gauge tester, so maybe I'll have my friend crank it. Yeah, crank it real quick while I'm pressing on that. Turn it off. Okay, hang on. Please don't go to my eyeballs. Okay, key on. Turn it off. Okay, key on. Okay. No, it's it. Yeah. I know it's gonna happen. I don't have the. No, I know it's gonna happen because I don't have the tool. I didn't bring it. Okay, that's it. Good. Crankshaft sensor. I just want to make sure. Okay, now that I confirmed there is fuel pressure, I'm gonna go ahead and order a crankshaft position sensor on this one. I'm holding it. Okay, we got a crankshaft sensor here. Part number, I don't know. That's a part number from Import Direct. Looks like that. In the past, I have replaced this in the past, and it's gonna be that guy down there by the bell housing. It's not easy to replace, but let's go. Okay, wish me luck. All right, we got that. That's the old one. Where's the new one? I misplaced the new one, guys. The new one is here. Give it. Same length. Hello, 2 pins. Yeah, looks the same. Can't see the pin in this one. It's too dark. Look the same. We'll plug it in. See what happens. Okay, I got the new part installed. That's why I don't really like working on this European vehicles. They're hard to work on. Special tools every single time. Let's see what's gonna happen when we put all this thing back in. Let me start. Alright, so I got the cover installed. So we gotta recheck, make sure the fuel line doesn't leak, but we're about to fire up as soon as this thing connects. So we're looking at RPM. Well, this is basically for this thing to start up. Are you guys ready? So I'm mainly looking at this one. Starting. Oh, right. Obviously, this one will have it too. Alright. I think it's fixed, but I'm gonna go for a test drive. Well, we are now driving on a freeway. The warning lights came on, so I think this car is fixed. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Bye.